Hey there, design enthusiasts. Did you know that adding a simple shadow can increase the visual impact of your designs by up to 40%? Crazy, right? Have you ever struggled to make your designs pop? If so, you're in the right place. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Canva, one of the most powerful design tools out there. In 2024, adding shadows to your creations can really enhance their visual appeal, and I'm here to show you how to do just that. Now, let's talk about a common challenge many creators face, creating depth in their designs. A lot of folks overlook the importance of shadows, thinking they're just a minor detail. But shadows can transform a flat design into something that feels three-dimensional and dynamic. Let's jump into the nitty-gritty of adding shadows in Canva. To begin, select the background option from the left-hand panel and choose your desired background. To insert the background image into your document, double-click it. Let's delve into the process of applying a shadow enhancement to an image. Navigate to the left side menu and select the photo option. From there, insert your desired image into the document. To remove the background, start by selecting your photo. Locate the Edit Image function in the top menu and click on it. Finally, select the Background Remover option. Precisely position the image to your desired location. We're now ready to apply the shadow. First, select your photo. Then, click Edit Image at the top of the screen. Under the Effects tab, choose Shadows and select the Drop Shadow option from the available choices. The left pane offers various drop shadow settings. Experiment with these options to achieve your desired visual effect. Let's switch to a new image and test a different shadow effect to observe the outcome. Execute background removal and implement a glow shadow style. It's time to populate the document with text and add a shadow for visual depth. Append relevant text to the heading and place it at the document's top margin. To apply a shadow effect, access the Effects menu from the top bar and select the Style Shadow option. Explore the options below to customize your text for maximum impact. To wrap things up, we've covered some key steps on how to add shadows in Canva. Remember, start by selecting your element, go to Effects, and choose the shadow style you want. Adjust the settings to fit your design, and watch how shadows can enhance the overall look and feel. Trust me, adding shadows can take your designs from basic to breathtaking. So, what do you think? Have you tried adding shadows to your designs before? I'd love to hear about your experiences. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to check out my other design videos for more tips and tricks. Happy designing, everyone!